Okay guys, this is our second video for rock, paper, scissors, and we are now right here in the code. We are in our while loop, our game loop, and it says while want to play, which is a variable up here, which has already been assigned to y, while want to play is equal, notice the double equal sign, while want to play while y is equal to y. That's true. Now we're in. Okay, here we go. User choice is a variable and it's assigned the result of input, please enter rock, paper, or scissors. I'm going to choose rock. Rock goes into the variable user choice. Computer choice is a variable and it's assigned RR. Remember RR up here. It allows us to do something randomly. RR.choice. Choice is a method of this random file up here. And choice basically goes over to the keys, which is a list that has rock, papers, and scissors in it, and it randomly chooses one of those things in our list. Let's pretend that choice selects scissors. So computer choice is randomly generated and it's going to be scissors. Okay, so user choice is rock, computer choice is scissors, and we print computer selected scissors. Remember, this is a placeholder and the value of computer choice is scissors. Now, user num is assigned options sub user choice. Well, what's user choice? Rock. Okay, what's options sub rock? Well, come up here. Here's options sub rock. That's a 1. User num is assigned options sub rock. User num is assigned 1 from right here. Computer num is assigned options sub scissors. Okay, so options sub scissors, the value associated with scissors is 3. Computer num is assigned to 3. The number, or num diff, is 1 minus 3 or negative 2. If num diff is equal to 1 or num diff is equal to negative 2, that's true. Winner is assigned user, that's a variable. Winner, it's assigned user. Wins sub user plus equal 1, so that comes up here to the dictionary wins. Wins sub user is 0. We're going to add 1 to it, so this changes from 0 to 1. And we're going to print you win. Now, all these other things here won't be done because this test here turned out to be true. However, these also allow for things to happen if in fact 1 minus 3 wasn't a negative 2. So if we have another combination, okay, these other possibilities take place. So imagine if I chose a rock, which is 1, and the computer randomly chose a rock. 1 minus 1 would mean a num diff is 0, and this would take place. And imagine I chose, let's just suppose the user chose paper, 2, and the computer randomly chose 3. Well, 2 minus 3 is a negative 1, so this will fail, and this will fail, and then we'll come here, which means the computer would win. Now, after the computer figures out who won that particular one, now what happens is we're still in the while loop and we have a variable here that's going to be assigned the result of this question. Do you want to play again? If you say y, you loop up here, while want to play while y is equal to y, you're in again. If you said you didn't want to play, you said in. So in goes into one to play, and you loop back here while in is equal to y, and then you'd be out of the while loop. So that's how you get out of the game. If you say that you answer this question here with an in goes into one to play, and then you would loop back up here while in is equal to y, that fails. And when that fails, you come down to this part of your code. And that's the end of video 2.